What's up, everyone? This is Elijah with Financial Anatomy, coming at you with another video to help you take control of your financial destiny. In this video, we're going to be talking about the Cash App and how you can lock your Cash App debit card, assuming you have one. If you don't have one, check this video out that shows the process of how to get one. Assuming you have the Cash App debit card, you want to open your Cash App up. Once here, there's a card icon in the bottom left-hand corner next to your balance. You want to click on it, and it will take you to the place where you can lock your card. You'll see right underneath your card it says lock card. Just hit that button and your card has been locked. If you want to unlock your debit card, just hit the unlock card button. This will unlock the debit card and allow transactions to go through like they did before. That does it for this video. Any questions or comments, feel free to leave them in the comment section below. Don't forget to subscribe if you're new, and check out the Cash App playlist for more tutorials on this app in particular. Catch you in the next video, and don't forget to get out there and take control of your financial destiny.